everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you print A4 size in full Excel page. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Excel sheet, put on all your data. After putting on all the data, you have to tab on files. You'll find the option of print. You have to tap on it. After opening it, you have to change some minor settings in print. Scroll a little down and you'll find the option of portrait orientation. You have to tap on it, and now tap on normal margins, and in the middle you will find the option of envelope 10. You have to tap on it and you have to tap on A4. Click it and then tap on print. It will print your A4 size page in your Excel. This is how you can print a A4 size Excel page. Thank you so much for watching the video. By following these steps, you can easily print a A4 size page in Excel. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.